Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back. Welcome if it's your first time, or if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I'm going to take you along my trip to Jamaica. It was not a fun trip. I went to Jamaica for my younger brother's funeral, my brother that follows me. So it was a heartbreaking trip, but nevertheless, I tried to make the most of it with the other family members and friends in celebrating his life. So as you can see here, I was giving you a snapshot of when I was starting my journey, entering onto the plane. I took the flight from Manchester, and boy, when I was going, it was good. Going, it was really nice. So as you can see here, I just took my trainers off and I just put my slippers on so that I can just relax while I'm on the plane, because that's a 10-hour flight, and if you know, flying to Jamaica for 10 hours, it's no joke. Honestly, it is no joke. So I'm sitting in the aisle seat, after which we were served airplane food as usual. I think that was some fish or something. I don't know what it was. Looked like carrot and potato is in it. We have I think we have cheese as well on the side, and a roll or some dessert, some chocolate mousse dessert. So, and biscuit and cheese, and get milk afterwards and whatever. So that's the food I'm just looking to see what's going on, because prior to having the food I had some vodka, because I was thinking I need to just down some vodka so that I can just sleep all the way through this flight. That was the plan anyway. So here I'm just showing you, I think that's the cheese. Only because these are airport cheese to go with the crackers after you finish eating your food. So that is a cheddar. That is a cheddar cheese. Don't mind my nails, I haven't done it. So, and that's the cup for the tea or coffee. That I think is a dessert. Some chocolate, something that I didn't like it, but I ate it. I didn't have any choice. What is that roll? That is roll. Yeah. That's a bread roll, and then that is the crackers. That's the Jacob's cream crackers. And what is that? That is some, I don't know what that is. Like couscous and some vegetable thing with couscous. I'm sure it's couscous. I think that's what I was having before I had cheese. So here I am eating my meal. I don't know. Look like pie. Probably it's pie. I don't know what it is. But I was so hungry. I just ate. And I just ate it. There was something very tasty. 30 grams. What can I do? It is what it is. It's my own menu, so yeah, I had to eat. So some chicken in gravy sauce. Yeah. I think it was pie, and then we have green beans and carrots and some tomatoes. So here I'm just forcing myself. Obviously, what else am I gonna eat? Yeah. Flights like these, I think sometimes I need to pack a bag of food
For the first time I came to
that I
this
know that I'm
country.
going to eat. Because
I went to see this.
Plain food is not,
I thought it was the most disgusting thing
let's say
I've
it's
ever
just
seen in my
not,
whole
it's not
life.
very nice at all. And so after having my meal, you can see how tired I am in my face, guys. I was ill while I was going to Jamaica. Sick out. We have flu. I had flu for about 2 weeks before. Some virus I had before I went. So I was feeling so sick on the plane. Look at my eyes. My eyes are almost shut because I am so tired. And have a lot of still to go on this journey.
British or whatever.
Yeah. In the cubicle, at the bathroom, stretching my legs.
Like I can't solve it sometimes.
And I don't want to pick up video. There was no one waiting outside to use them. So I was.
Not even upstairs, like sometimes.
Yes, guys, as you can see,
Sometimes it doesn't
tiredness. Tiredness and look at my eyes. And I thought I would have gotten better while I was in Jamaica. But
salad.
the thing just eased down.
And I had summer's day because
when I was up back, the same thing started again. But yeah, this is me taking you on my trip to Jamaica, giving you a little video of what took place. So behind me, you see behind me, that was when I was in the coach going from Manchester to London. So yes, I was going from Manchester to London. It took about 4 hours on the coach. Yeah, I was in the plane. I was so tired. I was sitting down. I began to feel so uncomfortable. And as I say again, I am ill. So you can see me with my napkin.
Yesterday was my brother grave
Trying to do my
digging.
business because
Oh God, my brother
I
could
was
never go our pity
a
grave
sick
digging.
person.
Now we have a manager because he
Like
come like,
symptoms,
we
all of those
just,
things.
nobody
It
can
wasn't
help
so
nobody
nice.
because
I
the
had
man
on
just
so
a
much
ball down
clothes
the
because I
face.
was cold
All
and
of
then
them
I had
know
to
say
take it
some
off.
people
So this minute
so
I
they
take it off,
lucky.
then I would have to put it back on again. But right here, as you can see, I'm just under my
love them
clothes
like
because
that.
I'm not wearing my blazer and the vest. So that
My
should
brother
be
that
able
is
to
5th
probably keep warm
of December.
for a bit while I stand
And Noah,
and stretch my legs because flying to Jamaica 10 hours. 10 hours, guys, is no joke. It's no joke, 10 hours.
No, first week in a
What am I
March.
saying now here? Well, guys, keep on watching the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video. You can subscribe if you wish. That would be nice. But continue watching while I share some snaps of my time in Jamaica for the future.
Come like me never see nobody me love so
Like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching.
But yeah, back to the topic. You know the iron bird, you know the ear.
While on the plane, I was feeling ill. I was feeling so ill. I've been ill maybe about 3 weeks before, and I thought I would have been better by the time the trip was to take place. But I don't know, the sickness prolonged and prolonged and prolonged. While I was in Jamaica, it eased up for a bit. When it was time for me to come back again, the same coughing and whatever, all of that took place. So I'm just removing my jacket because I think I was getting hot because I had the blazer on and I also had my vest on. So that's what I'm doing now, standing because I've been sitting for such a long time. My legs are tired, so I'm just stretching my legs before I sit down because, as I say, it's 10-hour flights.
Just touched down at the airport. Yeah, rain out that door. Rain outside. Rain. Yeah. Yeah, girl.
So that's me going towards the passport control. As you can see, they have some great murals on the wall. That is in Montego Bay. So that's the Sanchez International Airport in Montego Bay. So I'm just making my way towards passport control.
I don't think it was the right job for me though.
Montego Bay. So happy.
Yes, I can, but if they're coming in 10 minutes, that person would have been
so
dispatched
happy
to the gate.
and sad.
Yeah,
But
usually they
still,
dispatch the person.
I was happy being in my place, feeling at home. Just can't wait to get out and go on the other side. Going through passport checking out, it was okay. It was an easy process.
I'm in Tuesday, make sure I get some butter at Tuesday. Come on, play from morning.
So the next day we went to General Foods supermarket to get some groceries, to get some stuff to cook. So we bought a few bits and pieces and that's it. We went for a drive. That's me and my sister. So me and my sister, we went for a drive in the town to do some bits and pieces. So that's my sister driving while I'm the passenger princess. Yeah, so we took a drive to Ocherios. We went to St. Ansby at first, I think, to do some to get some pipes for the bathroom. And then we went to Ocherios, because you know, so we have to go Ochi, because Ochi is the place. So yeah, we took a drive out to Ocherios. I don't know what me and I was talking about, but obviously the conversation looked deep. But yes, guys, it was a good day. That was a good day. With me and my sister, with me and my baby sister, driving on the streets of Jamaica. So that's my grandson. He was in his kiddies program. He was so intense watching and doing all that he thought he need to do. But yes, these kids nowadays, they know everything about these gadgets. They know where to go to access whatever it is that they need. I had to make sure I set the parental control on all their stuff, because I don't know why their moms didn't have to pick up somebody I know parental control, so they are only able to watch certain stuff. So as you can see, that is beautiful Jamaica. We are on our way. We are on the motorway. I think we are heading towards Ocherios. We were coming from Stone side. Yes, I think we were coming from Stone side. And then we are on our way to beautiful Ocherios. So here we were at Fisherman's Beach. It has changed so much. It looks so lovely now. There are so many places to eat. You can order your fish from the sea and get it to eat at the same time. So yes, nice fresh food. Some nice fresh food that we have. So that day we went to the beach to we have to go to the beach. We get our tan on. Yes, to get our tan on. So it was a nice family day out. That's my little niece. Some stuff was on my face, so she was helping me to get rid. So that was a good day at the beach. Nice and sunny and getting all my vitamin D. Yeah, really, really nice. So those are some shots. We have a lot of pelicans on the beach. That's at Fisherman's Beach in Ocherios. You go there, you can get your fresh catch and you can order your meal at the same time. The same fresh fish, no frozen food, nothing. You know what I noticed in Jamaica, guys? There's a lot, especially in my area, a lot of castor oil seeds. And as you know, I sell castor oil. I sell Jamaican castor oil, but there are so many castor oil seeds. This one is in my mom's yard, but on the roadside, everywhere you will see them. I'm thinking I need to go back to harvest them. I need to.
Yeah, we are done panic wrong. Yeah. Done panic wrong, man. It goes so. Yep, sun hot. I mean, I want to come for the cemetery. The cemetery. Oh, that was actually one of the nicest ones I've ever looked now.
So this is the day of the funeral. That's me and my brother ready for the funeral. We were at the church actually. That's me when I was at the church. That's me and my grandson, my eldest. And that's me and my mom and my sis in the church. That's me and my nephew. And my mom is standing to the side. It was a sad day. That's my niece. It was a really sad day having to see my brother in a coffin. That's my bro in the middle. And these are just some shots that I included of my trip. That is not where we're entering. That's it. that was my brother's coffin to the church last Thursday. Entered the church for the first time to see. It is so sad. It is so sad. I didn't ever expected to see my brother lying in a coffin. It's a sad, sad part to my trip. But I'm just happy for able to let my brother go to the funeral. Yeah, it's really sad. It's a sad moment. Even now, I still can't believe that I am in Jamaica for my brother's.
He shall abide, he shall hide me in his pavilion, in the secret of his tabernacle shall he hide me. He shall set me up upon a rock, and now shall my head be lifted up above mine enemies around about me. Therefore will I offer in his tabernacle sacrifice of joy. I will sing, yea, I will sing praises unto the Lord. Hear, O Lord, when I cry with my voice. Have mercy also upon me and answer me. When thou sayest, seek ye my face, my heart is unto thee. Thy face, Lord, will I seek. Hide not thy face from me. Put not thy servant away in anger. Thou hast been my head, leave me not, neither forsake me, O God of my salvation. When my father and my mother forsake me, then the Lord will take me up. Teach me thy way, O Lord, and lead me in a plain path because of my enemies. Deliver me not over unto the will of my enemies, for false witnesses are risen up against me, and such as breathe out cruelty. I had fainted, unless I had believed to see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Verse 14 and last. Wait on the Lord. Be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thy heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. Psalms 27.
Amen.
No, they must have tried to skip water.
Every one I keep in them blue and white. Every single one.
What are them people in a funeral? Let me not understand these people. Like, really? Them are going to pray for it.
Are you going to have a second viewing? Open for second viewing. Where am I?
Okay, we can't see.
This is brother. We therefore commit his body to the ground, earth to earth, ash to ash, dust to dust. Looking for the general resurrection in the last day and the life of this world to come through our Lord Jesus Christ. At whose second coming in his glorious majesty to judge the world, the earth and the sea shall give up their dead, and the corruptible bodies of those who sleep in him shall be changed and made like unto his own glorious body, according to the mighty working, whereby he is.
When the boy Jesus say, it look better in the dark.
When bless somebody make no stress up and messing themselves prayer funeral home. Somebody make no stress up and messing themselves prayer funeral home.
guys, I had to mute the clip because of copyright issues. I don't want to get strike for copyright. So we went to another funeral, after funeral service, because with my brother, because of the type of death, we were not permitted to have afters after the funeral. So we went to another close family member's funeral. R.I.P. to Kerrville, rest in peace. So we
against me,
as you can see, we were at the funeral. My son, my grandson, my nephew in the blue, my grandson in the blue, and my son in the white t-shirt. So we're just having a look around, having a rest. While they were at the funeral. So
Hello,
as I said, it was a bittersweet trip to Jamaica. Look at him. Look at him. But yes, so here we are. I think we are at the, it would appear as if it's a funeral. Okay, we're still at Kerrville's funeral. So I'm just taking a walk to see what's going on and to greet some people. So that's me and my mom, me and the first lady. We just lie down and a whole meds, a whole relaxation. Yeah, that's me and my mommy. I was so happy to see her watching. That's my grandson. He was having a fantastic time.
Hello, Jay. All right. Say hello. Kaylan. Hello. How are you? Are you alright? Are you okay? Oh, you're okay. You drop your action book. You drop action passport. Hmm? Eh? Daddy? Where daddy there? Where is daddy? Eh?
Thanks for watching, guys. So we got some fish from the seaside, and we decided that I was gonna fry the fish. I started inside on the cooker, but then I'm thinking, no, I need to set up the coal fire where I can do my thing. So I'm here, I'm a real country girl, you know. I'm blowing the smoke away so that's my fire can catch my hair. I should have had something to hold my hair properly. My hair keeps getting in the way. My dress keeps getting in the way. But I wasn't giving up. The smoke was killing me. But I try. So as you can see, I got a little flame going. So not bad. So I've gone to get my frying pan. I'm going to put the frying pan on the coal stove. So I have some coals in the coal stove. So here I go. I'm putting the fryer in. I just remove it from the cooker inside. So the pot lost a bit of heat. So the fish now frizzle as they should be frizzling. But yeah, I'm just trying to blow the fire as a real country girl, you know. Yeah, a real country girl. Anywhere I'm going 15, whether I'm there UK, America, Jamaica. Right now, if there should be a case where I can go right back in the village and get right back down to business and do my thing. So right now I'm just fixing the fish. I'm trying to fix them in the pot so I can add some more fish to it. So I'm just fixing them closer to each other, creating some space, because I'm gonna be adding more fish. Guys, the smoke would have killed me. The smoke was killing me, man, but I gotta do what I gotta do. And I just right back in my go, light up my coal stove myself, do what I had to do myself, and fry my freshly catch fish that we caught from Fisherman's Beach. We bought them at Fisherman's Beach in Ocherios. And straight out of the pot, straight out of the sea, sorry, and into our pot. So that's what I'm doing. I'm frying up some fish. Nice fried fish. I don't even know what their name is. I think a parrot fish. I'm not familiar with the different names of the fish, but I think it's parrot because Jamaican people mostly eat parrot fish. So my phone fell to the ground, and as you can see, I'm just trying to get it back. Smoker kill me, guys. Look for my fish then. Look for my fish. Nice and ready to eat. Fish look nice, see? Oh my. Real outdoor cooking on my coal pot using charcoal.
Can I help you?
My Dutch pot. No, that's not a Dutch pot. That's just a regular frying pan. My mom never use a Dutch pot. I just use a regular frying pan. So that's my fish.
Yes, got time out. 9:30 time out.
It's frying. Look on that. Fish nice, don't. Again, that's my sister. We just had to drive to the town. We get the music started. There's a bad man who make people know where them a go. Bad man who make people know where them a go. Hold on, you have to pay. Sorry. Lalo. Hi. Be wet. We're going too far. We're travel 2 lane. Still 1 lane. Sorry. Still 1 lane. Alright.
Okay, I understand.
Oh.
Let me say, I was very understand.
We're not struggling like the same way.
No, you can't see 1 lane to go over town. And you're going to see
no, you have to see in 1 lane. Oh, you're in the middle for them. On the white line. Yeah, so you can neither here nor there.
Let me say, I'm
Yes, I said, no, you can't. So you drive up on the road. Police are on the road. No, police not talking about the right thing. We're not traffic, we're going. Let's sit down. Living and sleep.
Police are fast.
I got a woman in a car. Police and the man has someone in a car like that. You must have someone really. Them man look, yeah, them man look at me, I look too. Yeah. So yes, here's some I show you some nice purple grades. I said I couldn't take back a piece. I couldn't carry back a piece. But Jamaica, we think turn up. Yeah man, Jamaica, we think turn up. We went to 12-12 on that night. Me and my family, them went to 12-12, just went there to chill and have a good time. It's a really nice place. That's my kids, well, grandkids. That's me on my final day on the plane. I tried down some shots. I was still feeling so ill and so sleepy. Guys, I found this place in St. Anne, Windsor.
Will you light the fire? You light the fire and the fire ablaze. Imagine that. It was so nice. The water was so warm. It was so therapeutic. I'm telling you, it was so therapeutic. I thoroughly enjoyed. I enjoyed going to that place. Yeah, man. See me, I light up the fire with my lighter. Fire, it a blazing. Yeah, so that's a real fire in the water. You guys, you got to visit when you go to, if you're in Ocheria side or St. Anne, you must visit this place. It's nice. So that's me and the family, me and my son, my niece, my daughter. That was my final day on the island. That's me and my baby. That's me and my son. Yeah, that's us. I was on my way to the airport, leaving the island, feeling so sad.
I heard it's winter. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Hi guys. Hi, I'm Nisi. Don't turn the other way.
We're in Jamaica.
We're in Jamaica. Where are you?
Subscribe.
Alright, tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Love you guys.
Mwah. That is it.
So guys, you know, as I said, real Jamaicans, so I have to have the full Jamaican experience. So we took a public transportation. We took the minibus. We took it from Ocheria to Brownstown, and trust me, with those tiny buses, they have like 5 people sitting across the road. And if that young lady, she was sitting in that gentleman's lap behind you, do not know this gentleman, but they are such bad Jamaica. We were on our way from Brownstown going to Ocheria, going to Brownstown, in a minibus, because as I said, I have to have a full experience. To be honest, the ride was okay. The ride was alright. I just said it before. When you're in Jamaica,
One never soup and drinks, really?
different.
Yes, really, what have to
It was a good trip.
How long did you get that bus from? How long did you get
Brownstown.
About how long
Went
did
from
you get
Ocheria to Brownstown. I thoroughly enjoyed going on the minibus and having that experience, because I haven't had that experience in years. And as I said, as a real Jamaican, it doesn't matter how long I live in Jamaica. Whenever I go to Jamaica, I just ride to where I'm coming from. It's just easy for me to adapt to just everyday life. Things that would bother other people, just bother me. To Jamaica, I will cook on my coal stove and do all that fun stuff. So you see that we are on the bus going to Brownstown from out of 10. The bus ride was kind of 8 out of 10. So I'm giving you a view again of our view. That was when we were coming back from, I think, how would we go? We went somewhere that day. Where did we go? So this right here, is the end of my trip. I'm leaving Jamaica. It was a sad trip.
but I get to meet up with all my families and a lot of friends that I haven't seen, a lot of extended family that I haven't seen in a long time. So RIP to my brother. And it was a good little time, a good little trip, even though it was sad, but at the same time. So we can see, as you can see here, we are just flying away from the island, from Montego Bay. I was like, oh, why couldn't I be going? But I know, Jamaica, I will see you soon again. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for staying. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the video, and stay tuned for more videos because I haven't uploaded in a while. See you soon, guys. Peace out. Peace. Coming from me to you.